It's just the trend of the moment. It's like being in a fashion house on a fashion label. You need to follow what is the trend of the moment. So here, as I said, and in the last probably 10 years in Europe, in London, Singapore, whatever, around the world, the trend of the moment is lots of CO2, is cordial, is clarification, is eyeball, clear cocktails. So just we try to match the old things, and that's how we approach the every signature on the menu.
With Lecce Cocktail Week just underway, we catch up with new bar in the city, Folia, and Federico De Gatti as he makes the bar's Cocktail Week drink, Eupholia.
Hello everyone, my name is Federico. We are in Lecce, in Folia Bar and Lab. We recently opened this bar. We started between September and October. Today we're going to talk about one signature drink for Lecce Cocktail Week. It's called Euphoria, and it's a gin-based cocktail. So for the cocktail week, every bar in the city has obviously a partnership with different brands. Our Sapling Gin, for example, we're going to use Sapling Vodka, Rene's Gin, Avalen, Two Drifters. So every bar has been paired up with different brands, and the drink of the day, the signature we're gonna do, Euphoria, is with Sapling Gin, and it's kind of like a twist between I don't know, like a fruity, daiquiri, creamy eyeball. Is a kind of mix between classics. We're gonna use a strawberry vanilla cream soda with gin, some acid, and leftovers from bottle of Chardonnay to give the sourness, to take the sourness from the and the acidity from the Chardonnay. That's the drink. So we are serious. Obviously, for today we made just few portions just for the video. Inside you have a clarified strawberry cream water, like cream soda. And to do this, it's a really simple recipe. It's really easy to make it even at home. So all you have to do is measure in equal parts of your yogurt. You can use strawberry yogurt, peach yogurt, whatever flavor you go, or even plain yogurt, and pair up with equal amounts of water and blend the whole thing. Add some acid or just some lemon juice, and then pass it through a coffee filter. Once the filtration is done, it's finished. You can collect your thing or just in a bottle or in. Do we have any? I see. Ah, there we go. You can even use these. It's a Twist and Sparkle with a CO2 charge, or as we do, we have a CO2 system behind the bar, CO2 tank. So we connect these to the bottle and we carbonate the whole thing. As you can see, it's quite bubbling. This is our soda, so our non-alcoholic part of the drink. And then we are simply gonna build the drink. We just put some icing sugar on the side. Then a clear ice cube, and then 45 ml Sapling Gin. And top up the whole thing with our soda. Be careful when you open this, especially if you use a tank, because it's full of CO2. It can explode. And almost like an eyeball style, we're gonna top it up with this cream soda. And that's it. That's a drink. Give it just a gentle stir, and that's it. Super easy, quite refreshing, fruity, and the yogurt gives this acidity, creamy, velvety feel in the mouth, almost like a milk wash clarification does. but it's faster, it's easier, and it's kind of like a eyeball style that is on. It's really trendy and popular these days, using lots of carbonation, lots of CO2, especially and in clarified cocktails. So that's the drink.
What is the overall flavor of the drink?
So you got the fruitiness from the strawberry, obviously, and a lot of acidity at the end. Obviously, is how can I say? Is it really gentle acidity that you got on your mouth because of the strawberry yogurt water from the yogurt water, let's say. But it's still a nice touch of acidity, and the extra touch in the acidity taste obviously is thanks to the wine that we use, the Chardonnay that we put inside. It's a Chardonnay from Tormaresca from the south of Puglia. And so you go fruitness, you go the dryness of the gin, obviously. The bubble helps a lot to keep the drink refreshing and as we said here, mashable. And it's really important to have a drink that is really really easy to drink, especially in summer, especially here in south of Italy. It's super super hot, so having a nice refreshing beverage helps, trust me. And so yeah, you go fruitiness, you go sourness, you go this velvety smooth taste. It's really really easy to drink, really really easy to drink.
Now, what inspired you to create this cocktail?
The approach has been use something that is available in season, and strawberry, especially in May, June until the end of June, it's really easy to get strawberries. It's the fruit of the season, and white wine is super. It's a super trend during summer. Obviously, you drink a lot of white and rosé wine, more than red, obviously, at least in south of Italy. And gin is on the way, so it's really trendy. That's it. That's the reason why.
Now, tell me a little bit about the cocktail week. This is the second year, I believe.
Yeah, it's our first experience with a cocktail week, and it's a second edition for them. And I'm super super happy because I came back here in south of Italy after probably 10 years away. I've been in London, Sydney, like different city, and there's a kind of like a 8 to 10 years of delay with what is happening to the north part of Italy and the rest of the Europe and blah blah blah. So having these events like Cocktail Week that lasts for a week, and every day you got guests from all over the world. It's fantastic. It's just epic, and it is what we need as a south part of Italy to grow as fast as the northern part, or maybe the rest of the Europe. It's bringing new things, new guests. It's stealing from all people around the world, and having a chat with different colleagues that you might not see outside of the cocktail week, no? Because you probably live in different cities. So it's a great opportunity, and for the city of Lecce, is a great event, and I hope it's gonna be even bigger and bigger and bigger every year. All of this is thanks to Francesca and her colleagues and her friends that brought this to Italy. I've done the London Cocktail Week for a couple of years, and I can't believe we have the same in Lecce. I mean, the same. I mean, we have this Cocktail Week in Lecce is it's amazing. It's a great opportunity, and it's all thanks to them. Really, really great job. I really hope it's gonna be bigger and bigger every year.
Tell us a little bit about the bartending community in Lecce.
I can tell the level is really high. So it's a really challenging for us, because once you put something on the menu, it needs to be a good product, because there's a good level. So I think the quality is going up and up and up and up and up those years. So even the customers, I think they get used to a good product. So you have to be on spot.
Now, if somebody has come to the city for Cocktail Week and they walk into your bar, what should they expect from Folia?
I gotta say, to be honest, that Folia is not really related to any kind of roots here in Puglia. Even the style is totally different. It's more like on a Scandinavian Bauhaus, Japanese industrial minimalism, and blah 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 style. So I don't relate in any kinds of appearance or style or or design to our culture, our roots. But you can probably find some classic through the menus, and through the tapas or canapé, or even some pairings in cocktails. They might remind of a dish, a plate, or a dessert typical from Puglia. But we are not really that typical as a place actually. Yeah.
And what are you most looking forward to during this week?
I hope you're gonna have some free time to join a masterclass because I see lots of big bars calling big bartenders and doing an amazing masterclass with great brands. So I hope we're gonna have some time for us to have a look on those masterclass because there's an opportunity to learn as well, to steal from someone else. I love to steal from people better than me. It's the best way to improve, watch the others and improve yourself. So great opportunity. And then bars, it's all about connections. You can meet a guest maybe from, I don't know, New York, from Canada, South America, Japan, whatever. You may never know. So every day is different. So what I hope as a person, a human being, doing lots of meetings and build connections with others people. I hope we're gonna reach, like different countries and meet new people. That's all I want. That's all I want.